Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I'm a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I'm here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Interspace is an angled, single-pointed tufted brush to improve cleaning difficult areas to access. The removable brush tips can be attached to either side of the handle to change the angle of the brush head, giving better access for hard-to-reach areas. Yellow tips have soft bristles, blue tips have medium bristles. The TePe Interspace brush is great for areas such as furcations, behind the last tooth, around implants, fixed braces, and much more. First, locate the area you want to clean. Look in the mirror and decide what angle would work best for you to access the hard-to-reach area. Decide which side of the handle you would like the brush. Screw the brush head on the desired side, then gently move the bristles back and forth for plaque disruption. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.